Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert low resolution images into high quality in the CapCut mobile. So in here, you just need to add your photos, your low resolution photos into CapCut like this. And after that, click on the photo, swipe until you find this one, video quality. Click on that, and in here you can there are three things that you can do: remove flickers, reduce the image noise, and also increase the image quality. So I'm going to use this first, and here I'm going to go with ultra high definition quality. So you can see this is the before and here is the after. The image is now getting better, and if you want to, you can also reduce the image noise. Here I'm going to go with strong, and that's it. So now the image is on the high quality. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below.